If you feel behind with AI, you need to grab a copy of this book. This is the quick and easy guide to AI for absolute beginners. 5-minute lessons on what AI is, how it works, how to start using it. Um, no coding or tech skills needed. Really, really great book. AI is literally changing everything. I'm using AI every day, and this book will walk you through it. I know it could be super confusing, what tools to use, how to use it, and this book covers everything. It goes over all the tools they are. It's a real life examples, how to prompt it, what to use it for, how AI even came to be. And the book walks you through nice and easy. And it's in a really cool format. It's basically a conversation between friends, and they're basically asking questions that people would have. And then one person is answering it. I thought it was a really cool format. It's not overly complicated or anything like this. It's literally how you'd have a conversation with a friend about AI and get all your questions answered. I do really like the fact it goes over a lot of the different tools you could use. On page 37, it kind of covers, is that 37? Yeah, the different types right over here. So it goes over all of these, breaks them down. The book is about 200 pages. Like I said, really nice. What I like about it as well, you have some room over here to write in the margin. So if you like kind of a point here, you kind of jot down a note in here. So it gives you room for notes, which is nice, and plenty of space towards the end of the chapters as well, as you can see. So if you're looking, you feel behind with AI, you don't know where to start, you don't feel like Googling, or you're not sure if what you're Googling is AI, this also shows you how to spot things that were probably written with AI. This book covers it all. So if you're looking for a great book on how to get up to speed with AI and how to use it to make your life easier, definitely check this out. And a huge thanks to the author for sending this over so I can do this review.